Hey y'all, it's Chris, and today I have the Saucony Progrid 9 in the Crystal Cave colorway. Saucony has finally presented its latest footwear release. It's the Progrid Omni 9, and it takes inspiration from the mesmerizing Crystal Cave in Kutztown, Pennsylvania. Designed with a gemstone-inspired aesthetic, it's brought to life by a distinctive anodizing technique that resulted in a captivating crystalline texture on the upper of the sneaker. Additionally, the sneaker's open, breathable mesh material is complemented by a wide range of vibrant hues, leaning into shades of green, orange, purple, and blue. Each pair is constructed with a nice mesh that sits on top of an EVA midsole foam. That midsole is used to provide an enhanced premium comfort and durability to keep you going at all times. Rounding off the design real quick, Saucony welcomes a rubber outsole designed along a very nice black sock liner. And we also have a custom design box. While the Saucony Omni 9 has a lot of different colorways that are very adventurous in their nature, none is adventurous and colorful as this Crystal Cave pair in my hand. The sneaker is very bold, and it has a mixture of colors. We have blue, we have gold, we have purple, we have light blue, we have turquoise, we have like a brown bronze, we have a crimson, and a lot of accents on the sneaker actually change color. The whole point of the sneaker is to pay tribute to the breathtaking natural tones typically found on the naturally occurring rocks and crystals deep within the Crystal Cave in Pennsylvania. This sneaker originally launched exclusively at Sneaker Politics on October 14th for a retail price of $180 if I'm not mistaken. After that, we saw a worldwide release on Saucony.com on October 20th. The Crystal Cave in Kutztown, Pennsylvania has been home for adventurers for 145 years. And this sneaker represents that with its gemstone appearance. The iodizing process that Saucony underwent to create this sneaker and its materials has a very crystal-like effect. When you hold the shoe, you look at it in hand, and you move it from side to side, many layers actually change colors. As the light changes when it hits the sneaker, the color of the sneaker actually changes as well. We haven't seen a material like this on a sneaker in a very long time. We have a mesh upper, we have reflective overlays, we have something called an arch lock technology, we also have Progrid technology, and last but not least, a rubber outsole. What sets this Saucony Progrid 9 apart from other sneakers, besides its exclusivity, is that it's not just a sneaker. It's actually a piece of history. Each pair, like I said, is limited, and it's just a must-have for collectors, whether they're sneaker collectors or Saucony collectors. You're not going to see a shoe like this. This sneaker is a part of Saucony's Autumn and Winter 2023 collection. This sneaker is also right in time for Saucony's 125th anniversary. And if you're wondering why Saucony chose a cave in Pennsylvania, it turns out that Pennsylvania is actually the home of the company. The company actually started there 125 years ago. When it comes to sizing, this after all is a running sneaker, so I would go a half size to a full size up, since running sneakers do fit snug, especially if you're going to wear this sneaker for anything other than running. I'm usually a size 12, and I got my pair in a size 13, and they fit perfectly. When it comes to resale, a lot of these pairs aren't available on the resale market. I went, checked on GOAT, and like my size, a size 12 or 13, wasn't even in stock. This release was exclusive, and it was if you know type of shoe and release. A lot of people haven't even seen the Saucony Progrid 9, except for when Jay Tips showed a little sneak peek of his own collaboration on that shoe on his Instagram. So like I said, this shoe was the if you know. So there's not a lot of pairs on the resale market. There's not a lot of pairs floating around, because the people who bought this shoe bought it to wear, and pretty much a shoe like this is not going to have a high resale value because people don't even know what this is. But if you do find your shoe on the resale market, it's going for around $200 to $250 to $300 in select sizes. But if you put up an offer, the seller will probably take a lower price because, like I said, this is not a well-known shoe. When it comes to quality and craftsmanship, it's a Saucony shoe, so you know Saucony is, when it comes to quality and comfort, This, after all, is a Saucony shoe, so it's definitely there. It gets a 10 out of 10 for me. I have no glue stains, no loose threading, and everything is exactly where it needs to be. On top of that, the overlays on the shoe change colors, so that's honestly just kind of crazy. When it comes to comfort, this is a running shoe, so the comfort is definitely there. Whatever technology that Saucony used in there, the Progrid technology, the arc lock technology, it definitely fits your foot comfortably, and it's great for walking, running, just exercising, just going around the day, just doing your thing. This shoe is perfect for you, and it's perfect for all those occasions. I don't know when I'll exactly wear this pair yet. It's a great shoe nonetheless, and I definitely have to put it on feet as soon as possible. Before you get out of here, my name is CClaxton, and this is my platform, Something Light Media, a hub for all things sneakers, fashion, photography, and just creativity and pop culture in general. If you like what you see here and you want to see more sneaker reviews, please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn post notifications on so you are notified whenever I post a video. This is my series, Kicks It for Chris, because my name is Chris and sneakers are 100% for me. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.